To solve a division equation, we must find a value for the variable. This variable, when divided by the coefficient, gives the number on the other side of the equation. In the case of division, the coefficient underneath a variable is also called the divisor. First, let's review some words or phrases that mean division. Words like divide, quotient of, per, out of, and some others. Here's an example of a problem we can solve. The quotient of a number and 8 is 12. We can start identifying the important words and rewriting the sentence using math symbols and numbers. The number is our unknown, so let's represent it with the letter n. This becomes our variable. Quotient of means divided by something, and in this case it's 8. Whenever we have the words quotient of a number and another number, we go from top to bottom in the way we write the division. That is, the first number goes in the numerator, the second number goes in the denominator. All of this is equal to 12. This gives us the equation n over 8 is equal to 12. We often use the word over to mean the same as divided by. Now we can solve the equation using the opposite operation to division, which is multiplication. The multiplication property of equality reminds us that whatever is done to the left side of the equation must be done to the right side of the equation to make sure the equation remains equal. Just like a teeter-totter. Whatever you do to one side has to balance out with the other side. We multiply both sides of the equation by the value of our divisor, which is 8 in our example. The 8/8 on the left side of the equation are the same as 1 whole, which leaves us with n. The 12 on the right side is also multiplied by 8. This gives us our answer, n equals 96. It is always a good idea to check our solution. We can do this by replacing the unknown in our equation with the number we got for our answer. When we replace a variable with a number, it is a good practice to put the number in parentheses. We now have 96 over 8 on the left side of our equation, and that is equal to 12. That matches the right side, so we must be correct.